Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about Hugo Insurance, a new insurance company that's making waves in the industry. Hugo Insurance is a technology driven insurance company that provides affordable and personalized insurance solutions. In this video, we'll explore what makes Hugo Insurance unique, how it works, and why you might want to consider switching to Hugo Insurance. What is Hugo Insurance? Hugo Insurance is a digital insurance company that uses advanced technology to create personalized insurance policies. They offer a range of insurance products, including auto insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, and life insurance. Their aim is to make insurance affordable and accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial status. How does Hugo Insurance work? Hugo Insurance uses data driven algorithms to assess risk and determine personalized insurance rates for their customers. They use a combination of public data sources such as driving records and credit scores, along with proprietary data sets to create personalized insurance policies. This allows them to offer competitive rates that are tailored to each individual customer. What makes Hugo Insurance unique? One of the things that sets Hugo Insurance apart from other insurance companies is their use of technology. By leveraging data and advanced algorithms, they can create personalized insurance policies that are tailored to each customer's unique needs. This allows them to offer affordable rates that are much lower than traditional insurance companies. Another thing that makes Hugo Insurance unique is their commitment to transparency. They believe that insurance should be easy to understand and that customers should know exactly what they are paying for. That's why they provide clear and concise explanations of their policies so you always know what you're getting. Why should you consider switching to Hugo Insurance? If you're tired of paying high insurance rates and want a more personalized insurance experience, then Hugo Insurance might be the right choice for you. Their use of advanced technology and data driven algorithms allows them to offer competitive rates that are tailored to your unique needs. Plus, their commitment to transparency and simplicity makes it easy to understand your coverage and what you're paying for. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Hugo Insurance is a digital insurance company that's changing the game when it comes to affordable and personalized insurance. By leveraging advanced technology and data driven algorithms, they are able to create personalized insurance policies that are tailored to each customer's unique needs. So, if you're looking for a better insurance experience, consider switching to Hugo Insurance.